Whew, I didn't fly for a very long time, a week. More or less. The weather was awful, but now we are out with Deepspace SEEKER 3. So basically what I've done, recently I was watching one video which is from Patrick FPV, something like that. He's one of the Deepspace pilots. I mean, and they, as I understood, they sent him or he got it, I don't know. Anyway, he was testing out SEEKER 35, the 3.5-inch drone with 6S. And I was watching the video, and the first thing what he'd done, he plugged it in Betaflight and put on the SupaFly preset for 3/4-inch drone, and that gave me an idea. I was like, okay, I have as well 3-inch drone. So basically what I've done, I saved the preset which is coming by default on Deepspace SEEKER 3, and I applied SupaFly preset, and I checked some pit tuning and this. There was some errors or whatsoever, but I tried it to arm home and it was sort of arming and everything was happening. So today I just want to test it in real life, how it's actually flying, because how he was flying with after he applied the preset of 3/4 whatsoever on the SEEKER 35, it was flying amazing. I mean, that's why I will do it today, for you to know, can I actually make SEEKER 3 to fly better? I mean, I understand that the tune from Deepspace is on and everything is tuned and it's flying amazing. I'm not saying that it's not flying amazing or whatsoever, but I just want to try, so you don't need to try. So SEEKER 35 with Express LRS, and there is another thing which I will eventually I will make as well the video, maybe you can see, is I have Radio Master Gemini whatsoever for my Boxer, because my whole idea is, as you saw the video of upcoming plans or so on, there was one of the big projects is to switch to Express LRS Gemini to test it out, to see how it's working, and as well for long range with sub-gigahertz frequency with 2.5 and so on. This will be actually first time when I'm flying with this one. It's already connected and everything, so in case if you don't want to wait for full-on video about the Nomad system, leave down in the comments how to connect it, to bind it all together so it's working, and I will make some sort of maybe earlier video or something like that. So basically today we are back in my Bando spot, and what we will be doing, we will be testing this out. I mean, SEEKER 3 with SupaFly preset, and I think my microphone is okay, it's okay, and we'll see, I mean, how it flies. Actually, I'm telling, I never as a thing done this kind of yeah, everyone always is telling, oh, never put the presets or flash or whatsoever and this and that, but I've done it. So let's see how it will be flying. So that is connected. Let's see, let's get up in the air and see if SEEKER 35 with SupaFly preset is flying better or And plus as well, I will see how it is with express this thing. So we are in angle I, okay, air mode, yeah. Let's arm it. Rescue off, of course, the rescue off. And let's see. Of course, I thought that it was my sound. Fly-wise, I'm not sure if it flies. Oh my God, I think it's actually flying better. Oh my, because I was flying with 3-inch before, I mean, and now this is SupaFly preset for 3/4-inch drone. I mean, okay, it's have some strange trembling which I didn't had with the original tune. In a moment you are coming down, I mean, if you're coming like very softly, then it don't have anything, no jitters whatsoever. I mean, oh my God. Yeah, I think this one is working nicely. I mean, and of course, let's see after the flight how will be the motors, because the filter tuning it was very, how to say, very strong with an error. I mean, but fuck, I love it. I mean, I nearly hit the ground, but I think, guys, this is what you need to do. I mean, it's flying amazing, and it's very locked. It's not floaty anymore, because with original tune, you had it very floaty, but with this one, I mean, with this one is way better. Way better. Oh my God. Yeah, so basically Patrick FPV fixed the SEEKER. I have as well the 5-inch, and I will try to do with that with the 5-inch, but 3-inch, it's flying amazing. I mean, no prop wash, anything. There was this one moment when I sort of was doing power loop, and it was like shaking a lot, but this thing is locked. I mean, this thing is locked. I mean, okay, very sorry about the sort of thing of flying. I didn't fly for a week, so don't judge on that, but I mean, okay, the battery 3.5, 4 minutes flown. I mean, yes, this is what you need to do. Basically, and that is the crash. Here it is. So give me a second, I will be back. So here we are. The first test flight was amazing, and here you go, guys. Motors was slightly warmer than I had them before after the flying. I mean, with the base tune which SEEKER 3 is coming with, I didn't feel sort of warm motors, but now, since it's sort of crashed or whatsoever, I mean, since I was like 20 meters or so till there, and let's see if I can actually show you. I mean, I think you can see there is a bush. It's crushed there, so it's like few meters, and the motors was slightly warm. So this was the first thing I noticed. But other than that, guys, I mean, it's flying amazing, and maybe it's sort of a thing that I didn't fly for a very long time, a week. I mean, or no, but I was flying with this one before, and now it feels way more locked than basic tune on SEEKER 3. So if you have a SEEKER 3 and you want to improve it for, I would say, better flight performance, then apply SupaFly preset and you will not regret it. So I have one more battery, so I will fly a little bit more around. And yeah, this was basically it about the video, and I will put somewhere recording of the screen how actually to apply preset and how to save the preset and so on, so you will know how to do it. And yeah, thank you for watching. You know what you need to do: like, subscribe, whatsoever. Leave some comments down below if you tried it, and or when you will try it. Leave down the comments down below and let me know what you think about this tune. And of course, that as now I see how it flies, I have SEEKER 35 and I have as well SEEKER 5, so I will try to put on those presets to let you know, guys, how it flies. I mean, for you not to do it, in case if it's complete failure. I can't pronounce the word. Anyway, you understood. So subscribe to see the next videos about the 35 and SEEKER 5. Until the next time, thank you for watching. Bye.